Jay. Good morning, guys, and welcome back. A small bird. There was a small bird. Yes. Oh. The jay. But so far, not in front of the photo blind. Yes, unfortunately. I'm still waiting, but nothing. Can you hear? They make strange voices. Yes. There was the woodpecker on the tree on the left, but now I don't know where he is. Maybe he's still there, but over the back to the tree. I can't see it. Yes, there was. Yes, have a look. And it was drinking the water. Yes, wonderful, amazing. I hope it comes again. Fantastic. An helicopter. Yeah. Finally, after some days, I got the woodpecker drinking the water in the bird pool. The bad thing of my pool is too high. Yes, I would put it more down because I can't see the water from this level. Maybe putting the camera more higher. Yes, in higher position. I have to try next time. Anyway, I'm even happy with this small result. Hey guys, it's getting too hot inside. I'm sweating. I don't know how I can resist, I don't know. Anyway, I have to go in a short time because there is a problem. One of my cats, it doesn't feel well, so I need to see a doctor. I hope I'm better. Good morning guys, welcome back. And also in today's video I've come here for our live photography session, but so far I've just only seen cows. Yes. Yes, because in this field, in this area, there are some cows of a friend of mine, and they are free to walk around in the area, and sometimes they come here in front of the photo blind. Where's the bird's pool? Yes, and they drink the water. It's nice. Still nothing. Yes. Cows apart. I think cows will be the most wild animal today. Yes. Actually, there's a jay, but I don't know where. I've heard its voice. Yeah. A young of a jay, incredible. It's the first time. Amazing. I hope it's a young, because it doesn't have a sapphire in the neck, in the head. Maybe it's a sick jay. Another jay. Yes, wonderful. And this jay was better. Yes, maybe the other was sick. I don't know, it was strange. Not only cows, yes. I'm afraid that today, nothing. Yes, only some voice, but anything else? Yes, there are a lot of birds around here, but no one want to come in front of me. Yes. The light is good, the sun is coming, but nothing. I was checking the camera settings, yeah, to see if I could change the function of a button, but Sony doesn't give this opportunity. I mean, I wanted to set the C-free button with the HDMI settings, but in this case I can't. I don't know why. Maybe there is someone that can tell me why, or how can do it with the Sony Alpha 9. Yes, I'd like to have the HDMI settings with a C-free button. The Eurasian Jays, yes. Awesome, there is a small lizard near the pool, the bird's pool. But it's having a sun bath. I don't think it goes in the water. Yes, really nice. Have a look.